All right. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and I'm going to show you today how to do two things to discreetly hide different games that you play on Steam. The first way is to hide them from your Steam library so they're installed, but if someone were to walk up to your computer and scroll through your list of games, they would not be able to see them in this list by default unless they knew what to look for. The second is to hide the Steam activity from these different games from showing up on your profile, because when you go to your profile, it'll show you whatever your most recently played games are, like the most recent 3, and it'll also show you all recently played if you click on this button down here. But you don't necessarily want that to show up, so we can show you how to hide both of these things today. So let's say you got a risque game. I think I got one installed here. Project Passion's a good example. Let's say you don't want people to know you have this game. All you have to do is right-click the game, and then you can go to Manage, and then you can say Hide this game. And then boom, that game is no longer visible inside of your Steam games. You actually have to go to View Hidden Games up here at the top of the screen in order to open up the Hidden Games section inside of your library. Or if you know what you're looking for, you can actually search for, in this case, Project Passion. The alternative, let's say for whatever reason you don't want people to know that you're playing a certain game because either, again, it's a lewd game and you don't want people to know that you play those games, or it's a game that you don't want other people to know you play because then they'd want to play with you and you're just not interested in playing with them. You can literally go to like Princess Conquest, and then you can go to Properties. And then here down at the bottom, we have a privacy tab under the settings. And you'll notice here at the top, you have the toggle that allows you to hide this game from your Steam library if you don't want anyone in your home or around you to see that it exists. But alternatively, you can also mark this game as private, where other people will not be able to see this pop up on your friends list. Doesn't matter if you're your friends or not. No one will be able to see this. It won't show up in your game status. It won't show up in your recent games played. It won't show up anywhere that it tells your friends that you play this game. It'll be hidden as if it never existed. And those are very great ways to hide that game in case you have snoopy friends that are a bit of a prude and want to tease you about that or otherwise be rude about it. This is actually a new one down here, in-game overlay data. You can actually delete any data that the in-game overlay has about you playing that game or when you are playing that game, which is kind of nice. So you can be super private even from the stuff that Steam collects, and you can just delete that. That way, you can hide this game from everybody, and then just to make sure nothing shows up, you can delete all the history that's been collected about you playing, what was this? Princess Conquest. So there you go. That's two ways that you can discreetly hide your game activity on Steam without having to worry about people knowing about it. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.